The only little good things you do, they make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come.
Hello and welcome to my channel. This is the Kid in the City. I am John Tay and we are back with another eyeshadow detail. Of course, if this is your first time, welcome to my channel. Do not forget to subscribe and follow me on all socials at the Kid in the City. If this is not your first time, welcome back. You already know we are here with another eyeshadow detail. So today we are getting into the Cosmos palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which I am super excited about. We are getting into the ins and outs of this nice metallic look, going over the brushes, the colors, exactly, application. This is definitely the detailed look at the eyeshadow outside of the full makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned because we're jumping right into it. All right, here we are with another eyeshadow detail. So today we are creating a nice, beautiful eyeshadow look using the Cosmos palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. If you checked out my last Ulta haul, I'm going to tag it right here. I'm going to link that video. If you want to watch that, this was one of the things that I got that I was most excited about because I've had my eyes on this palette for a minute. So yeah, we are playing with the, and you already know, it's always real when I take the film off. When the film come off, that's when you know it's real. Okay, so let's just get into the colors of the palette and how beautiful it is. These are the colors, like insane. I'm really excited. Let me take the little film off for the mirror. Now again, I do be a little disappointed when Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes do not come with a brush, because usually they come with a brush. Oh my god. Usually they come with a brush, but like it's been like the last few palettes that I've gotten that don't come with the brush, and I just don't like that. As like a girl who's been shopping at Anastasia Beverly Hills for a very long time, I just feel like the eyeshadow palettes should come with a brush. That's the whole point. But anyway, I'm still gonna spend the money. I'm still gonna buy it. So here it is. All right, so I'm wearing like black, white, green tonight. So I really don't know. See, look, I gotta apply the lip gloss already. See? Anywho, so I'm gonna use my new brushes because, you know, I promise you my neighbors have a wrestling ring in their apartment, because when I tell you, it just be like on top of me, like they live above me, and I swear to you, they have to have a wrestling ring in there. They have to. They have to be literally jumping off of the walls onto the floor. Like I be so confused and lost. Like I don't understand how they just don't come through the ceiling and just sit right beside me and start telling me how they like my makeup at this point. So again, I always have my crayon case brush cleaner in between colors and shades. And I am first going to prime my lid with the Born This Way concealer in the shade Mocha, the same thing I used for my first layer of under eye makeup. And we're just gonna prime. Somebody just text my phone and I'm not. No. No. If you can get me on the phone and really just have me sitting on the phone talking, or have me like really like texting you back and forth, like shout out to you. Because I cannot tell you how many people will call and text my phone and I will look at it and just be like, no. Literally just like I did just now, like, who's that calling me? No. Who's that text me? No. Okay. So we are going to start with, I want to start with Quasar. I'm always terrible at pronouncing. I think this is Quasar. Quasar? Quasar? I don't know. Here we go. I'm going to swatch it real fast. This is Quasar. Quasar. And that's so pretty. I think I'm going to go with that first. And then we're just going to kind of go from there, you know. I'm just gonna go wherever my heart takes me. I have no clue what look I want to make, but I'm just gonna trust myself. No, I don't want to do that. No, yeah, we can. Do I want to do Quasar? Because my look is like, it's really kind of like black, white with a little bit of plaid green in it. No, no, no. We're not doing Quasar. We're not doing Quasar. I lied. I lied. My heart changed that fast. Let me take this off my damn hand. We're not going to do Quasar. We're going to do Mercury, which is a nice gray. So oh, that's so soft. Okay, so instead we're going to do Mercury. And this is Mercury. A nice gray. Super pretty. Try to follow my heart. My heart changed in 2 seconds. That's very Gemini coded. All right, here we go. So we are going to take a Mercury and let's get it. Okay, so that's literally just a little dab. Mercury is not playing. Mercury said, I heard the girls were looking for pigment. Here I am. Here I am. Literally. Oh, wow. I don't want this look to be too silver. You know what I'm saying? I know I'm going to like diffuse it and stuff like that, but I always like to start with a little bit of a kick, you know? So again, with our brush cleaner, clean that off. And with no product, using the same brush, I'm just going to kind of like buff it out. We're not adding any additional product. But again, we just want to soften that gray just a little bit. Just diffuse it out. Then clean again. All right. Oh, I'm sorry. And this is the brush that I use to apply Mercury. A nice flat short brush. And now with a short kind of firm brush, this one right here, we're now going, hello? Okay, so now we're gonna go in with Eclipse, which is gonna be this shade right here. Can you see that? We're gonna, oh, this one. Lord, this one right here. We're going in with Eclipse. And this is just to kind of smoke that out. But I'm just going to put this right on the other half of the lid and just into the corner. And then right in the middle where those two meet, I'm just going to put that right on top of the, what was that, Mercury? Yeah, right on top of Mercury. Just like so. You know, just a little unce, not too much. And then with a medium-sized fluffy, like this, I'm not going to, actually I am going to, well no, I'm not going to add any product to it, but I am just going to buff out the edges of both of those, like so. Just very soft, very light. Again, we just don't want any hard edges. And I'm just going to lift that up to the edge right where that concealer line already was. Like that. Now, wipe off all the product. And now, actually, I'm going to use that same brush. So with the same brush, I'm going to go in with Mars. So Mars is this nice pretty brown right here. This is Mars. This is the one we're gonna go in. Now, this is literally just gonna be a little transition shade just to transition those two colors up to the brow bone. We're gonna be very light with this and literally just right on top. See? Very subtle, very 1-2 with the 1-2. And just put that right on top. Like so. And then I am just gonna go back with that first flat brush and take a very light tap of Mercury. And then just go right in the center, really. I just want it right there. Now with a longer fluffy with no product on it, I'm just gonna blend all of that into each other. Just so that everything is blended just the way I like. So this is what we should have. Well, this is what we have so far. Easy peasy. Again, we're not doing too much. We're doing just enough for the world. We're not doing too much. Okay, so now this is going to be the eyeshadow look. And now I am just going to copy and paste. So I do think I'm gonna do a little 1-2 on the bottom lid. I am just gonna clean up the eyeshadow a little bit. So with a very flat brush like so, with a very flat brush like this, I'm going to go in with my same concealer and clean up the eyeshadow. That is so loud. And just very lightly clean that up. Actually, I'm gonna wait until I do the rest of the glam, and I'm gonna do the bottom lid last. But I'm gonna continue with the rest of the glam, and then I'm gonna be back and put some on my bottom lid. And I know I always tell y'all I'm not gonna do it, or I tell y'all I'm gonna do it and then I don't. But I'm gonna try my best. I think I'm gonna do, you know, just a little 1-2. But this is the eyeshadow look that we have so far. I'm gonna finish the glam, and I'll be back and we'll do the bottom lid. I'm not gonna promise, because I still may change my mind, but I'll be back. Okay, so now going back in with Cosmos, I am just gonna put Mars, that nice like, or do I want to do Eclipse? I'm gonna do Mars. I'm gonna put Mars on the bottom lid, just to add a little more dimension. Actually, I think Mars is gonna be too light. So I am going to go in with Eclipse. I just don't think Mars is going to be dark enough. So we're just going to go in with Eclipse, which is the darker shade that I did. And we're going to do that for the bottom lid. Just like that. Cute. So I did stick to my word and I put eyeshadow on the bottom lid because I'm a real ass bitch. Okay. Yeah. All right, so here we are with the final look for the eyeshadow detail. Again, using the Cosmos palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which I'm pretty sure this is gonna be in rotation. So this is how the look came out. Very kind of like metallic, bronzy a little bit. Love, love, love this eyeshadow look. I feel like this palette is super versatile, and that's why I feel like it's gonna be in rotation, because I know I can get a few different combos and a few different looks from this palette. Super pigmented, super soft, like that. The, what was that, mercury? That mercury, the silver, a little goes a long way, which I feel like for $55 you're definitely going to get your bang for your buck as far as quality, as far as products, longevity. I really like that. That's why I'm not ever really that upset when I spend the coin, but it reflects in the actual product, you know what I'm saying? But that is it for the eyeshadow detail. Of course, if you do want to see the full glam makeup look, I'm going to link it right here. That will give you the ins and outs on the rest of the glam outside of the eyeshadow. And of course, if you stuck around this long, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. Do not forget to follow me on all socials at The Kid in the City. And that is it. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to be here with the kid. And for that, I thank you. Until next time, bye.